Very important right now for you to take 1 second and hit that like button. Help push us through the YouTube algorithm. And then it's also equally as important to pound on that bell notification, hit that bell notification and click all. That way you stay up to date on all my latest videos as the inflationary depression that I've been warning of opinions, because I am not a financial advisor. This is just my overall thesis of the market, right? And as we get into it now, you can see the XRP price. Chances go crypto investing in this quick afternoon update here. Is if we look at the coins, they're still just jockeying around, similar to where they were this morning. You can see in the overall macro pattern where the XRP prices, we broke down out of this 12-month symmetrical triangle where we've went in extensively. What makes that a symmetrical triangle? Broke down, getting a bear market rally. Technical target is down here between 18 and 22 cents, but the current price, as we zoom in from the far out time frame into the closer time frames, it's not doing anything much different than it was this morning. We're still trending down. We're below the major moving averages, so this is going to act as resistance right here. And if we're trying to shoot through to the bottom part of this blue resistance zone, we got to get over these moving averages, get some volume to come in, and then get on up there. If not, we're going to continue to slip down to the 37 cents. But I think there's going to be a lot of movement in the overall markets this week, especially as the Fed talks. There's going to be lots of movement. As we go into the Shiba coin price, you can see after it shot up out of here and breached the top part of this orange trading zone, we wicked out up here just above and just above this point, bunch of zeros, 1357. Quickly reversed, shot back down, retested what is major resistance up here at the top part of this orange trading zone at 0.01209. And as you can see, we've had major support and resistance, where we've had support down here at the top part of this orange zone, and then resistance, and then it became resistance right here at the top part of the orange zone, resistance again. Now trying to bounce to confirm this as new support, but we got to breach this old high if we're trying to continue to the upside. As you can see, a nice uptick in volume right there after the volume was almost nothing. We've had a nice spike. Now what we would like to see is the volume continue to spike to the upside and move this price up. If not, it's going to get reversed and it's going to trade up here and then eventually break this critical area right here at the 0.1209 and then start to trade back down towards these lower lows and possibly down here to the 734 level, which we're going to be watching closely right over the next several days. In the Shiba coin, the DAP and the DAP Ox, they haven't really done anything different than they've been doing, trending down to sideways. A little H-bar action continues to trade lower. You can see Hendra is another one that the volume is just almost went to nothing, and you can see these big wicks that it has. If you're trying to get bullish, you got to break that 200-day moving average right about where the price is at now at 6.5 cents, and then you could try to maybe work up towards some of these upper resistances, which would be the first one right about there at 0.074, 7.5 cents, right? And then if we look over to the all-important Dogecoin, as we just continue this rundown, you can see Dogecoin is still in this consolidation. It got topped out at this 14.5 cent major upper resistance after it blew by this one at our first resistance, and now it's doing this consolidation that we talked about over the weekend. And now what you would look for is maybe a double top up here and then a consolidation down, or you can just consolidate in a tight little range like this. Or you may even come all the way back down to the 9 cent level and back test major lower support and then remake a run up to here. But what we're watching for this 50-day moving average is going to be streaming up quickly. So is the 200 over the next couple of hours. And you look to hold these moving averages and this 9.5 cents to try to reload to break this 14.5 cents and maybe move higher. Or you're going to start to trade back down towards where you came up from. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love.